welcome to my channel. I'm just showing you guys all of the freaking wigs I have. So today I'm going to be doing something very special. Thank you to this company for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be showing you guys a different technique. It's a cheat sheet technique that I like to do when I'm really just not in the mood to make a wig on the sewing machine or by hand. So just stay tuned. I'm going to add 4 spandex wig caps to her head. The reason why I'm doing this, the reason why I said it was very special is because I know y'all tired of seeing me, and I'm tired of seeing y'all too. I'm tired of y'all seeing me too. So this is a hard-working mother, and I really appreciate her grind. I'm here for her hustle, and I just wanted to show her some love. And I've only been knowing her for a short period of time, but she has a beautiful spirit. And I just wanted to, do something nice for her. So I told her to just come over to my house and I was going to do her hair. And along with me doing her hair, I'm showing y'all something very easy to do, something that is cheap to do. One of my little hidden secrets, one of my little cheat sheet techniques. I do this when I'm really just not in the mood to make a wig. By the way, please go subscribe to her channel and show her the love that you guys have been showing me. I'm going to tag her name in the description box. Make sure you go subscribe and leave her lots of comments and show her some love. So I wanted to show y'all this technique, and I also wanted to just be a blessing to someone else. So we're just going to jump right into it. Once you have sewn the closure on like you normally would, you're just going to spray the cap down with some Got2b holding spray or any holding spray or spritz that you may have. The reason for doing this is because it's going to create a barrier for where the bonding glue isn't going to seep through into the hair, your natural hair. Then the rest is really self-explanatory, and if you've been keeping up with me from day one, or if you have watched all of my wig making tutorials, it's the same exact thing. Instead of sewing it in the same directions, you're going to put the tracks on the cap in the same exact directions. Every now and then, you're going to have to get your blow dryer and blow dry it, of course, so the glue can dry completely, because sometimes the glue doesn't completely dry and the tracks start to slip off. So just glue it down, blow dry it, and make sure it's dry and move on. I've done this technique many times on myself. So if you follow my steps, the glue will not get onto your hair, and you will be able to remove this wig every single night at your pleasure, at your leisure, whenever you want to. And it's kind of better. I'm going to say it's better than doing it with a sewing machine or by hand, especially if you're a beginner, because this is going to fit exactly how you need it to fit. It's being made on your head, so when you take it off, you won't have any issues about, oh, it's fitting too small or it's fitting too big. It's going to fit exactly how it needs to fit. Watch me now. I know y'all probably thought I was lying, but boom, no glue on her hair, period. Go ahead and mold your cap down like you usually would. This closure did not come with the knots already bleached, but I did bleach the knots on this closure. Pay attention. This is very important. You're going to go ahead and cut that piece off of your closure to have a seamless closure install. I've shown this on my channel about 3 times now. So make sure you do that step if you don't want a wiggy looking closure. And make sure you pluck your closure, and don't pluck the part if you don't want that super wiggy closure look. Follow along with my steps. Follow along if you want these results. Move along with wrapping your client's hairline down. sit them under the dryer, and boom, it's molded, it's finished. Now you're going to go ahead with the styling process. What I'm doing now is cutting her hair into layers. I'm cutting it into layers because I'm going to do a bouncy curl look. And when you're doing curls, you really don't want to keep the hair the same length that it is. I know you guys buy your inches and you don't really want to cut your hair, but sometimes not cutting your hair can make or break the style. Once you cut the lace off, you can go ahead and wrap the frontal or the closure back down while you're doing the styling process so it can completely melt. No, I did not glue her hair down at all, like at all. This is completely glueless. I didn't use any Got2b gel, any of the spray or anything on the closure at all. Molding the cap down, molding the frontal down, the lace, or whatever it is that you're styling at that time, that's going to allow you to have a completely glueless style. And once again, like I said, if you're a beginner and you want to start out doing your wigs like this, feel free to do so because it's a very, very easy technique to do if you don't know how to use a sewing machine and if you have never used a needle and thread in your life. We're going to talk about this hair really quick though. The way you would know if the hair is good or not is once you curl it, comb it out, and the curls are still there, the hair is still bouncy. Yes, honey, this is a good company to shop with, especially if you're on a budget and you're looking for some good quality hair, some real good quality hair at a good price. We've hit 3 million views. Love you guys once again. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed this technique. Let me know if you love it and stay tuned for the next video.